Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Ifeoluwa. I am a Nigerian food content creator based in Lagos. In today's video, we'll be talking about common mistakes you make while using your blender. Knowing these mistakes will help you prolong the life of your blender. If this is something you're interested in, please keep watching. Number one, you overfill your blender. Most blender models comes with its maximum capacity. For this blender, the maximum capacity is 1800 ml. So you want to make sure to keep your ingredients just at the exact cup capacity. If you fill it beyond this capacity, this is a no-no. This will cause your blender blades to jam. To take some out and make sure it does not exceed its maximum capacity. Number two, you don't add enough liquid to your ingredients when blending. Too many dry ingredients in your blender without enough liquid may cause an accidental jamming of the blades. Adding enough liquid will help your blender blades to move freely. Number three, you don't secure the lid while blending. Securing your blender lids while blending helps you avoid a lot of mess. However, you may not need to do this if you own a high quality blender, as they come with their own locking lids. To get the best out of your blender, you should do a warm-up, which means starting from a low setting to a higher setting. Or you can simply use the pause button before going to a higher setting. This will enable your blender blend the chopped ingredients smoothly. Another common mistake is you use your blender for more than 30 seconds at a stretch. You want to make sure you don't overwork your blender so it doesn't cause the engine to wear out. Also, if you notice your blender stops while blending, it means the blender is overloaded or jammed. Usually, your blender automatically shuts off to prevent damage to the motor. Just unplug the blender and let it rest, or divide what you're blending into batches. Finally, wash your blender immediately after using it, clean with a microfiber towel, and keep for next use. If you can avoid these common mistakes, you'll definitely be prolonging the life of your blender. If you found these tips helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.